to be friends.
Hey guys, it's Jazz. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, subscribe because you already clicked on this video, you're already watching this video. You might as well like, you might as well comment, you might as well turn the post notifications on so you can be notified when I post another video because I'm dropping video on video on video on video. So yeah, in today's video I'm going to be showing y'all how I made this I don't know, tie up button down shirt. And this shirt is too fire, like too fire. I saw this on TikTok and I saw this on Pinterest, and this shirt is too fire, and it's very simple, very easy, and it just gives it a more, I guess, trendy and elegant look, I guess, at the same time. So yeah, before we get into this video, like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for, I don't have 300 subscribers yet, but I have like 280 something, 290 something. So I'm just gonna say thank you for 300 subscribers. Like, we're growing very fast. Like, thank you so much. So yeah, let's just get into the video. Okay, so first you want to lay out your button down shirt. Lay out your button down shirt, button it up, and you either want to draw under this first button. It depends how low your first button goes. So it really depends on how much stomach you want to show. So I'm gonna draw right under this first button. Okay, so I'm gonna start by marking a line where I want to cut it. And you're gonna end at the armpit. But don't cut the armpit, you just want to end right under the armpit. Okay, so I'm just gonna curve it up. Can y'all see that? Yeah. Damn. You just wanna draw a curve until it gets to here. It don't have to be perfect. First, we're gonna cut this top layer. You see? Do not cut this part yet. And it don't matter about the line because once you fold it, you're not gonna see it. But you can cut on the line, or it don't matter. You can really cut it in any shape. Like, you can cut it in a triangle, you can cut it in a circle, half circle, oval, anything you want, honestly. So now you have this piece. You want to turn it on the back of the shirt and cut the back layer off. You can cut as high as you want because your back is going to be showing. So I'm just gonna cut up to this line. Do not cut the seams of the armpit. Cut around. Bam. Front and back. So now all you want to do is pin these behind, basically. So turn it around and pin this. Okay, bam. And then you just sew around the line. And with the excess shirt, you want to cut out 2 straps. No, it don't matter what length what width it is. So I'm gonna cut out the longest length. I'm gonna do it easier. Let's see. You don't have to pin it and do it like this, but if you don't want the rough edges, then you gotta pin it and do it like this. So yeah, you just pin both sides. I only pin one side, but you just pin both sides like this. And then sew down the strap so it can be clean, you know. This is the shirt. I'm not done. Like, you can see too much skin, but it's cute. Like, this is the shirt. Like, I can't unbutton it, look, but I can't separate it, so it's okay because I can still obviously put it on, but like, just remember to sew. Don't sew it together like this if you don't want to, but it's okay because I'm always have this part buttoned up anyway, and it can fit still. This is the back. And you can see why you need straps, because it's just too loosey-goosey. Like, I can raise this up and you will see everything. So all you want to do, see where you need to pin it. I'm pretty sure. Let me see. You can pin it anywhere, so I'm gonna pin it right here. This is cute. So here and here, right under your boobs, honestly. Yeah, you can pin it anywhere though. Here, here, here. It's just your preference of where you want it. So I'm gonna pin it here. And all you want to do, this is the inside, good side facing up. Pin it right where you want it. Bam. That's it. You see, I put the good side facing up behind the shirt. So I'm gonna show y'all for real, but I need to see where I want to pin it. Basically, you just do the same thing to this side. This is just a guide of where you want it. When you take it off, you can make sure it's even, but like, this is how it's gonna be, and then you just tie it after you sew it. So yeah, this is just a guide, and I'm gonna show y'all closer look. Okay, so I like the placement. I'm just gonna show y'all what I did. All I did was, this is a good side of the strap. All I did was, you know, pin it to the outside, the inside. So good side facing the good side of the shirt, good side of the strap, and bad side of the strap, inside of the shirt, bad side of the shirt. So yeah, I'm pretty sure y'all should get what I'm saying, because you can see like it's behind. So yeah, and all you want to do is sew a line to both of them. For the back, I'm gonna leave it like this, like it's just gonna stay cut, because it can just stay cut. So yeah.
Okay, this is my face.
You can button all the way up. It's still cute. Like, it's still cute. It's giving. Okay, y'all, so that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, comment down below something. Comment down below if you liked it, if you didn't like it. what else I should make. Comment down below anything. So yeah, if you like this video, like it, comment, and subscribe. And also follow me on Instagram, because just follow me on Instagram so you can see some looks, you know? So yeah, again, thank you for 300 subscribers. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate all the comments and all the likes, and it's all everything. Like, I appreciate everything, especially the comments, because people be going in the comments and they just be so funny and so like loving, and just make me keep going. So yeah, thank you for all the comments, and keep doing what y'all doing. So yeah, before we get out this video, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.